Best ride ever, everyone. Best ride ever.
It's really intense in your face and
Yeah, if you're in the front, it's intense. What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Cam's Travels. Today we are back here at Volcano Bay to not only show you all the best slides here, because now I can ride all of them with a second person, but also to show you all the spring break crowds, because it's pretty busy here today. So let's go have an amazing day here at Volcano Bay. Once again, for those of you who did not see my last video here when Volcano Bay reopened, just to go over the mask mandate here on water rides and in the water, you cannot wear your masks when ordering food, going into merchandise locations, and when entering and exiting the park. You must wear your mask, and it is encouraged to be worn around the park. So we don't have to wear them because Emily and I are gonna be going on and off rides, in and out of water. These things are gonna get soaking wet and then eventually have no purpose. So yes, if you see us off with masks, that is the reason, but we're so excited to be here.
Such a nice day.
Such a beautiful day out here, and it's gonna be an amazing day. So let's go have some fun. When coming to Volcano Bay, everyone, they give you your own tapu, which is basically the equivalent to a magic band at Disney World. But for the tapu, you tap this in front of the ride you want to go on. If there's a virtual wait, it tells you the wait time, and then whenever it tells you you are available to go ride the ride, you walk right up and you go ride the ride. It's basically a little virtual wait watch on your wrists, so that you can enjoy the rest of the day at the park instead of waiting in lines. All right, everyone, we currently have a 30-minute wait for the Krakatoa, which is the water coaster here. But now Emily and I are gonna ride the Oh No and Oh Yeah slides. You see those ones right there where you fly off? Emily's gonna videotape me and I will videotape Emily. So I'm gonna head up there right now. So now, after riding a couple of rides, Emily here is gonna get some ice cream for herself. She's gonna get the Waturi Fusion, which is the, I guess, staple ice cream here at Volcano Bay. So she will give you her review when we get it.
You guys know I love ice cream.
Yeah, she's the ice cream queen, fanatic queen, whatever you wanna say. So she'll give you a review. Here it is, everyone, the Waturi Fusion, which is a mixture of banana, blue raspberry, strawberry, and orange ice cream. It looks amazing. I stole it from Emily just to video it. So, ooh, it looks like it's melting at the moment. So I'll go give it to Emily so she can eat it. All right, Emily, here you go.
It looks like a unicorn. I got all three, or all four.
Four?
Uh-huh.
Refreshing? What's it taste like? If you could say it tastes like anything.
It's like weird because you can taste each flavor. Like I just tasted banana, but I also just tasted blue raspberry, but I tasted strawberry. Like you can just taste everything.
Some of the best ice cream you've ever had?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Would you get it again?
Probably not. It was like $6.
With discount?
It was like 5 to 64 or something like that with the discount. So not terrible, but very refreshing for a hot day like today.
We are now in line for the Krakatoa. Our return time was called here, and on the tapu it says remember to smile, because they do take your picture at the very end. But let's go ride literally the best ride here in Volcano Bay. So we now have an 80-minute wait for Hanu, which right here is the big blue half-pipe slide, and it was a 110-minute wait, and now our wait time is down to 80 minutes. So Emily and I are gonna go enjoy a bite to eat. So here we go. So I didn't show you all this in my last video, but here is a little Waturi marketplace in here where you can buy hats, shoes, flip-flops, and then obviously different types of Volcano Bay merchandise inside here. You do have to have a mask to go inside. Actually, this is pretty cool right here. This cool shirt. I'm gonna go inside real quick. There's a cool little tank right here, as well as some candles here, and then some cool tumblers as well. And then, you know, just Volcano Bay keychain. It looks like some magnets in here. Some cool merchandise here in the Volcano Bay store. They also have themed shirts here for Volcano Bay. Here's a long sleeve red one and a gray short sleeve. Actually, this is a really cool shirt. I'm not even gonna lie. I love the background of this. That is really cool. And don't worry, everyone. They still remind you that you are here at Universal Orlando with some Minions, Transformers, SpongeBob, and Trolls. That's crazy. So here at Volcano Bay, you must mobile order through the Universal Orlando app. So do make sure you have that app when coming to Volcano Bay. Now, we ordered it, and then ours is currently being prepared. And when your order is being prepared, you must find your own table and scan the QR code so that they know which table to deliver the food to. And that's pretty much it. Very, very simple process. So our food has finally arrived. Emily, what did you get?
I got the arugula salad. It has watermelon, feta, onions, and then I think these are cranberries. And then they give you like balsamic dressing.
Give it a try.
Very refreshing. The watermelon's really good.
It's like, what would you rate it for a theme park salad?
Like an 8 out of 10.
It's not
7 out of 10.
7?
It's a lot of leaves.
Yeah, I was about to say it's a lot of leaves.
That's still good.
Alright everyone, I got the island bacon cheeseburger that comes on a Hawaiian roll and then with some french fries, so let's give it a try.
It's a big piece of bacon.
Okay.
What would you rate it?
It's kind of cold.
Oh.
I got 4 out of 10.
Oh no.
Yeah, try the fries.
Normal fries.
Yeah, nothing special. They're good, but nothing special.
Are those cold?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, burger. 4 or 5 out of 10. Probably because it's cold.
Yeah.
It'd be better if it was warm. So everyone, we have a second review for Emily.
Okay, I'm taking my review after I ate it. I don't like salads that you have to like put in the work, and this one you do because they just give you. Oh wait, that's not a good example. Chunks of feta that you have to like cut yourself. So it's not bad. It's just a lot more lettuce than there are toppings. I don't really like lettuce, so that's my review.
What's your score now?
3 out of 10.
Oh, wow. We're both going to agree here that the Powerade was the best thing at today's lunch. Now, I will say, everyone, that we came last year and it was like...
The pizza was amazing.
The pizza was amazing. Edward's got this like shrimp mac and cheese. So maybe we're going to hold off from the burgers and the salad for right now. And the next time we come, we'll get the pizza and the mac and cheese. All right, everyone. Universal's Volcano Bay is officially at capacity for the day, which is kind of surprising because as you look at Universal Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida, none of them are at capacity yet. And it is currently 1:35 in the afternoon. But as you can tell by these crowds right here, guys, the park is insanely busy. Like crazy, crazy busy. This is the most crowded I have ever seen this park since I came last year. I've only been coming to this park for a year, so this is definitely the busiest I've ever seen it. But yeah, let's go enjoy some food, and we'll get back on those rides. Down the lazy river we go. finally got our return time for Hanu, which is the slide right here. Let's go up. So for the last ride of the day, I'm going to conquer the 150-foot drop slide, like I told you all earlier. But we have 50 minutes until that ride, so we are here at the Dancing Dragons Bar, by far the best bar here at Volcano Bay. So we'll get some drinks. So everyone, Emily got the Haku Punch, which is basically rum with pineapple juice and mango juice. Emily, you want to give it a try? Nice.
Very refreshing. Ooh, I like it a lot.
And then I got the Volcano Bay Rum Punch, which basically is a bunch of rum and then topped with Bacardi black rum. So let me give it a try. Here it is.
Strong?
Man, that's refreshing. Like, you don't even taste alcohol. Want to try it?
Got this one. I don't know. Am I gonna like this drink better than mine?
Probably. You do.
Can we switch?
Nope. So everyone, now that Emily and I have finished our drinks, it is now time to go conquer the 150-foot drop slide at the top of the volcano. About to head on to the body plunge here at Volcano Bay. And as you all can see, it is all the way up there. A 150-foot drop from the top of the volcano. You're down in like 3-4 seconds. Whew, I'm excited. Let's go. Just so you all know, it is about 200 steps up the volcano to the body plunge slide. Whew. This is gonna be a long walk. It's super windy up here, but everyone, we have finally made it to the top of the body plunge slide. Emily is gonna film me going down, and here we go. Such a pretty view from up here. All right, everyone, that is how you conquer the 150-foot drop slide at the top of the volcano. Emily decided not to do it. She walked down, but thank you for filming for me.
Anytime.
But let me know down below in the comments if you all think you could conquer the 150-foot body plunge down the volcano. Well, everyone, that is going to be it for today. Here at Volcano Bay, we had an amazing times. Now, crowds were very, very high because of spring break. They hit capacity around 11 o'clock this morning, but the wait times for the rides weren't too bad.
We just didn't do as much as we definitely did last summer, but we did a lot of what we wanted to do.
Yeah, the big rides, make sure when you get here early, go and hit the big rides first. That's going to be the best bet I can give you all, and arrive here early as well. You get a lot more done. We got here at what, 9:45? It is now 5 o'clock. And we did all the rides. We did all the rides we wanted to do, all the major rides. But we hope this video helped you all out to understand how the crowds are here during spring break at Volcano Bay, and we hope you all enjoyed the video. So if you did enjoy the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and ring that bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. It was a great day, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.